10 a.m. Merry Christmas! Good morning.
I think you block.
Merry Christmas.
Mommy, are you taking a block when you're sleeping?
No. Sarap matulog.
Mommy, why didn't you? I thought you were watching on your phone.
No, I just woke up.
Look early.
No, 10 o'clock.
Oh. Me and Kuya woke up at 10.
Yeah. Ang sarap matulog. Morning ulit. Hi guys! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Char. Merry Christmas. Today is magbubukas tayo ng regalo na natanggap namin kagabi. Iho-haul natin, Char. Yes. So, magbe-breakfast muna kami. Siguro ako mag-spaghetti kasi may naiiwan na spaghetti dito kagabi. Iniwanan ko kasi medyo madami na yung dinala natin. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog about doon. So, ang dinala ko, ang potluck na naka-assign sa amin ay fried chicken at saka graham. So, yung graham, gumawa ko dito. Yung fried chicken ay in-order ko sa Korean barbecue. BBQ? Korean something. Basta yun. Masarap kasi yung chicken nila doon. And kapag ako gumawa, at talaga namang hindi nila makakain. Tsaka wala na akong time dahil nag-work pa tayo kahapon ng 9 to 2. Ayan, may spaghetti dito. Mag-spaghetti na lang ako. Pero si Dion, cereal na lang. Kakain muna kami, tapos mag-open na tayo ng gifts. So guys, sila ay excited nang magbukas ng regalo. Kaya tayo ay magbubukas. Magbubukas na. And,
Let's go!
wait lang, B. Wait. Hahanapin ko muna yung
Mommy, I'm
kanino
going first. I'll cut you.
kung kanino tong pangalan. So, this is Dion.
Here's the Kung Fu Panda scale.
No, wait lang. Isa-separate ko lang. This, Merry Christmas. Din Kuya Liam. Bibili.
What?
Dito ka magbubukas. And then,
Mommy,
wait lang.
Mommy, let's make a pie while
Dion, umalis ka dyan. Daddy. This is my time. This is for you. Thank you.
Mama Eric.
Hindi ka sa likod ng Christmas tree. This one, I don't know. Ano to? Walang name. Ako na magbubukas ng walang name.
Mommy, is there a present in there?
Yes. This one,
And that's mine.
hindi ko alam. Walang pangalan.
Under.
Ako na lang magbubukas ng walang name. Walang under. This one, Kuya Lia.
It's a new backpack.
Ate Marla.
Ah.
This one,
Ah.
Dion.
It's Legos, I bet.
Ah.
Okay, Dion.
This is my
So,
big
Dion.
present.
Do you know so popular?
This is Liam.
Wait, is this mine?
It's clothes. Yay! Do you like clothes?
Yes. Mommy. Wait, what do you say about me?
Do you like clothes?
No, earlier.
What?
So,
I
Liam.
don't know. I forgot.
Ito kay Daddy to.
Daddy from who?
I don't know from who.
Mommy, did I?
So,
Chicken pox.
this one is mine.
Mommy,
Wait lang, wait.
there's no name left.
Dion. This is yours.
Merry Christmas.
This is mine, the black one. And
Mommy, who's this gift from? Mommy, who's this gift
Dear.
from?
Whoa, that's
Ducky.
What's that?
Okay, you go there, sit down, and dun mo i-open yung gift mo.
What? My gift?
Yeah.
Like here?
You need help? Whoa!
What's this?
Wait.
Wait, I don't. Wait, is this a
Take
dinosaur?
this out.
Is
It is! It's a costume.
No, I think this is a big.
You put the hole like this.
Ow.
This one. This hole.
Ow!
May merong may stapler.
What is this?
Wow.
Mommy, what is this?
Oh, baby shark. It's like a tent.
No?
No, not a tent. It's, I don't know. Basta parang body.
Oh, it's like this.
No, body, panghigaan.
No,
We're
no.
gonna lay down inside. Ganun.
Mommy,
Sleeping
I'll
bag?
try it.
Sleeping bag. It's a sleeping bag.
Mommy, I'll try
Go, go.
it. Now I'm gonna open my next present. What are you gonna open?
Okay, let me do it.
Okay.
Stop doing it. Oh, it's food.
Oh, open another one.
It's M&M's.
You move here.
You can have my and
Really? I can have M&M's.
yeah.
It's a box.
It's a random box. It's just. Mom, who's this gift from? Is there more? That?
It's an Xbox.
Yeah.
It's an Xbox.
I see.
Enjoy it.
Give me your box, Dion.
Yay.
Clothes, yay.
Yay, I love clothes. Wait. It fits me. Let me check.
Diyan, babe.
Yeah, it fits me. Mommy, this fits me.
Yeah.
What do I got?
Jacket, nice. Winter jacket.
Open!
Nice.
Open mo.
jacket.
I'm opening. I'm opening. Get. I'm opening with my feet.
Pull it.
Pull it. Ah! Help me!
Dion. This one.
Mommy, does it fit me?
Oh, siya. Ay, maganda rin to. Maganda, makapal.
Mommy, look.
Lagay mo din.
Time to.
Next.
Is there any more in here? Is this mine? Mommy, is this mine?
It's like over there.
No, I bet it's a PS5.
It's too small. See, Legos, I told you.
Lego.
Yay, I'm building let's build the Lego.
I want to help you build
Give
it.
me, okay, another one.
Yeah, I want to help you build it.
Ano mag-build?
Why is there giant?
Ganun na yan.
Mommy,
Kita
who's
pay.
this gift from? Who's this
Kita
gift
pay.
from?
Just open it fast.
Hope it's McDonald's.
Donald's good.
Mommy, open. Is this my last one? I'll open my last one.
This from Ate Casey.
This one? Is it from my icy? Let's see what's inside.
Open it.
Oh, wait.
No, there's also a.
It's a backpack.
Yeah, I always wanted.
Oh.
Oh, it's a lunch bag. Is it?
Wait, you can keep
Let me
mine.
see.
Wait, you can keep mine.
No.
The red
no,
one?
next year.
I'm kidding.
You can use this next year. Okay? Nice.
I want my next year. Oh.
No, we can keep mine.
No.
Oh, see. Nice.
No, that.
Good, because
The other
you're
one.
gonna-
Wow, blanket. Put the...
It's bigger now, so you don't have to use that small one.
No, but but it fits
And this one.
my feet. Mommy, I'll put you.
Go, the other one.
Yeah.
Give me the, blanket.
Yeah.
Lagyan mo doon.
Last one.
Last one. Ganda pa naman ng balot ni Ate Icy, oh.
Mommy, how am I so strong to pull the Mommy, I'm strong to pull the string.
Yes, you are strong.
Put the sides.
What's inside?
Whoa.
I know it's a
Whoa.
Is that a
What is
big
that?
spot?
Let me see.
Mommy,
big.
it's a rat.
Scar.
It's big.
It's a mushroom.
Let me see.
Open this fist.
No.
Let's see Kuya's gift.
Kuya, can I actually?
Give me scissors, please.
Kuya,
Huwag mo sirain yung paper bag, sayang.
Kuya, I actually want your M&M's.
Sure.
Butter?
What?
What?
It's t-shirt. Wow.
Oh, I thought that was small.
Nice.
Mom, who's that gift from?
And,
Who's that gift from?
And this is
tinan mo, kanina gamit to. Okay, Ate Marla. Okay, go.
Oh, you did,
Nice.
Kaya. Mommy, I still love my gift. Actually, that's like, the Grinch. Mr. Grinch.
coin bank.
Mine, where's mine?
Coin ba?
Where's my gifts? Like the toy, like the stuff.
No more to. This one.
Oh yeah, the wood.
Ipipix
It's
mo
for
lang po
coins.
mamaya, ha?
It's for coins.
Ano? Open it. Kaya na galing.
Is that for
Ate Lynn.
coins?
Ate Lynn, open it nga.
Wait, is that for coins? Mommy? What, is this for coins? What? I thought,
Coin bank. Oh, yeah.
I want,
Go, another one. Another one.
Wait, open this. Adeline again.
Naka ano yan? Naka tape.
Damn.
Yeah, wait. Open ka na muna. Wow, may chocolate.
Wow.
Wow, ang t-shirt. Wow.
A new t-shirt. I hope it's mine.
This is mine, okay? You're not even.
Levi's, nice.
Okay, open this present.
Sayang itong ano.
No.
Ano
It's
to?
mine.
Sayang itong ano.
This is mine.
I usually open with hands.
Your shoes.
From Happy Kuya Daisy. Yeah, the shoes. Jordan! Oh my God! Jordan!
Mommy, is that from Baby Duck? Is that, Mommy, is that from Baby Duck? Baby Duck?
Yeah. Wow, shoes. Oh, wow. Kunin mo at pipicture lang kita. Hawakan mo. Hold it. One.
Okay, finally I can have the
Basketball.
scissors. I can finally have the scissors. Finally, I
Put
can
in the
drop
box.
my head.
Bottle.
Sukat mo nga ito.
Later. Okay. Wow, it's a box.
Oh, it's a box.
Is that please get a box of liquid inside? Mommy, can you help me with the dinosaur?
Yeah, wait muna diyan. Pipicturean muna natin. Okay?
Okay.
All the gifts.
It is clothes.
Wow, it's your jacket. Kanino galing?
Look, I think it's the summer.
Ate ice ito. Tingin.
The ice.
Oh, see? Nice. So, magbubukas naman ako ng aming regalo.
Yun, finish your M&M. Oh, my God.
Bubuksan ko na rin yung kay Eric. Ano yung mga regalo niya? Oh!
For you?
Pagtutbrush natin si Daddy. This is for Daddy. Oral-B toothbrush.
Why
Oh,
open
because he has a hole in his teeth.
Umalis ka dyan, bata ka. Mag-open nga. Oh, umalis ka dyan. Ako naman Ito ay kay Daddy rin.
Why are you opening Daddy's present?
Ay, wala siya. Kaya tayo ang
There's no choice.
bilisan natin at
Ay,
nalilibat na ako. This one. Wow. A shirt. Some marks. May gift tag. Gift tag ba to?
Wala ang tawag.
Policy.
I was big. So big.
Kasi naman to kay daddy kahit hindi niya ito. Large. Large to. Yeah. Yun ako sino na nagbigay. And then, this is, hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Parang akin din to, pero akin to. Hindi yata ni Lola May. Ay, hindi akin to. Ayan to.
Daddy.
Di yun?
No, man.
No, I was able to fix.
Man.
Pang bata yan eh, Carters.
I hope.
Sa'yo yan? 8 years old.
Mommy, look, it's
Kay Dian
Oh, wait,
siguro.
that's it.
Okay na.
yeah.
Hindi ko nag-see on.
Yep.
Mommy, my.
And this. Oh, may cheque.
Mommy,
Mama
this is
digs.
from Baby Kaya. Mommy, this is from Baby
Ay, gift
Kaya.
kid yung pa to. Oh. See?
Where's yours?
Mami, ako. Bakit kailangan pa
Mommy,
meron
look,
ako?
this is from Baby Kaya.
I feel bad for you.
I feel bad for me. Excuse me.
Mommy, look, Baby Kaya. Mommy, Mommy.
Hello.
Mommy.
Merry Christmas.
Mommy.
Oh.
Mommy.
Oo.
Ate, pupunta si Anika sa basement. Mas low kasi dito sa harap.
Oh, okay, sige. Kung may bibigay daw si Anika.
Gift for you?
Come on. Go to basement.
Come on. Yeah.
Thank you.
Punta na siya.
Okay, thank you.
Sige, ate.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Amen.
Italaan niyo.
So, nagbigay daw ng regalo dun sa kapitbahay. Ay, ng kapitbahay. Nagbibigay. Pero sa basement dadaan. Ay. Buksan natin ito. Masaktan dyan ko. Oh, nice. I like it. Ang ganda. Saan niya ito binili? Gusto ko to. Long sleeve. And then this is from Mama Mel.
Mommy, is that your last one?
This is my last one. Ang ganda ng mga pens ni Kuya.
Friends.
Ang ganda ng box ha.
Let's see what you get.
Let's put this. Kitchen.
What'd you get? Guys, there's a mystery present.
Wow, terno. Oh my
Can I
God.
open mine? Can I open mine now?
This one, Elo. Terno. Ay.
That's mommy's?
Yes, this is mine.
I'm opening mine.
Terno. Oh, wow. Hindi yun ay. Akin na, ang katit. From Anika. From neighbor.
Our next door.
Kapitbahay.
But who?
Ang ganda ng box. Itago natin yung box. Wow! Jacket! Wow! Challenge! Uy! Let me see.
Okay, let's open this, guys.
Yun, akin na.
Bring it on.
Si Liam. Ikaw.
Clothes.
That fits! Pabarin mo na, pipicturean natin. Hindi. Akin na yung box. Sayang yung box. That fits! Diba? Pwede to next year. The box.
This one.
What's that? T-shirt?
Yes.
Nice! Nakatanggap din silang pera and alam ko may mga magbibigay pang regalo. Hindi pa tapos to. Kung ano namin, something small at saka something yung color mo. May specific kasi kaming color. Kuwari ako red, sila yellow, blue, ganun. And ang nakuha ko, ito for blue, is this one. And then purple or violet, this one is Skittles. For green is this one. And ito, headband. And then yellow, Toblerone.
Mommy, why you always getting
And then orange.
why are you getting candy? Always.
Oh, ayan na yung candy. Oh,
Why are you eating
Skittles.
chocolate and candy always, dude?
But I
Ganito
have
yung
a
Toblerone.
diary.
Tapos,
Ayan, guys.
ito pa, something small. This one.
I said diarrhea.
Small ba to? Small.
Skibidi, guys.
Small yata to. Ayan, and then,
I like
this one's pabango, oh.
Oh.
Yes, yan. Something small. Ito din, something small. And wet wipes.
Can I have that?
So, below, ano lang kami. And cotton buds. Below $505 lang. Ito, Advil. Bigay ni Tita Lynn kasi siya ay pharmacy technician.
Really?
Nag-aaral siya, yeah. Ito, something small na ano to eh, pamoni. Scrunchy, tsaka hand sanitizer. Tsaka ito, something small. So, ito na yung mga na-regalo natin. Pipicture natin. And, syempre, thank you for the gift na nagbigay kung sino man. Yes, sila family.
We have to say thank you.
Yeah.
No, don't wait there.
So, meron pala tayo nakalimutan sa mga gift na. Ito yung mga in-exchange gift namin. So, yung na-exchange gift namin is yung din na ginagawa na may keep tsaka steal. Pero mostly, nag-keep sila ng mga regalo. Hindi sila nag-steal. Pero may nagpalit na regalo sa akin. So, ang nabunot ko ay ito. Wait. Nagbunot na kasi kami ng number, tapos pipili ka lang ng regalo doon sa table. Ang napili ko ay ito. Ayan, Yeti na tumbler. Tapos itong Toblerone. Ayan. So, si Eric, ang napili niya is yung isang ganito din, na kulay pink, na pambabae. Tapos, isang pouch ng Lululemon. But na-steal yun. Ang kapalit nun ay yung isang set na ganito din. Parang aqua flash siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag doon sa brand na yun. Parang sa Costco yun eh. Isang ganito, dalawa siya, isang pack siya. Na ganito. Tapos merong isang, yung ganun. Basta yung tumbler din, pero yung may handle na pwede mong isarado, ganun. So, isa yun. Tapos pinalit nung kasamahan nung pinsan, asawa ng pinsan ni Eric. And pinalit ko na din kasi nga, marami na kaming ganun, di ba? Meron na ako nito. And hindi naman namin magagamit lahat yun. So, kasi gusto daw niya yun. So, pinalit ko. Ang napili ko, ito. Tupperware. Ayan. Dalawa siya. Kasi may price pa nandito. So, binili siya sa HomeSense 24. So, buksan na natin. 6 na piraso siya. So, pwede na tayo magtanggal ng mga tawag doon. Mga Tupperware. Yung mga yung lang pang take out Tupperware kasi minsan yun nandiyan namin. So, pero titingnan ko. Ayan. Kasi yung exchange gift namin is worth $50. So, meron siya malaki. Ano to naman? Microwavable. Yan. Pwede rin baunan. Hugasan ko na yung isa. Ano kaya maganda? Blue. Ano na lang? Blue or pink? Blue na lang kaya. Basta marami siyang sizes. And then si Eric, mayroong natanggap sa work na hoodie, black hoodie, tas nakalagay yung kanilang company. Tapos, meron din siyang natanggap na maliit na Yeti mug na may nakalagay na company. Pinaprint, nila, engrave. So, pwede sa akin to. kaso black, pero okay lang. Pangkape, pandala sa work. Pangkape. Magligpit lang ako ng konti dito. Yun na lang siguro for today. Ano lang tayo, unboxing. Christmas gift unboxing. And, yeah, maglilinis ako dito. Kailangan ko nang mag-edit din kasi nga, ano na. Late na ako sa mga ating mga i-edit. Grabe ng pagka-late. Siguro uunahin ko muna yung Christmas para updated. So, isusunod ko na lang sa mga susunod na araw yung yung mga daily day in the life vlog natin. So, yun lang guys for today's video at magliligpit muna ako dito sa buong bahay. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat and sana nag-enjoy tayo sa Paskong ito. Diba? Give love on Christmas Day. So, yun lang guys. Merry Christmas and kita-kits tayo sa New Year. Bye!